Okay, this problem says our points BAD and C coplanar. So what does coplanar mean? It means they're all on the same plane. 3 points, as long as they're not collinear, are always coplanar, just like 2 points are always collinear. Why? Because 2 points, if I put 2 points somewhere in space, that they determine a line. 2 points determine a line. Similarly, if I put 3 points somewhere in space, as long as they're not all on the same line, they determine a plane, because I can draw like a triangle out of those 3 points, and then I could extend that triangle indefinitely in all directions on that plane. So 3 points determine a plane as long as they're not collinear. Because if I had this third point right here, my third point was right in the middle there, that wouldn't determine one plane, because you can draw a lot of planes. If I just have a line, there's a lot of planes that can be drawn through that. Think about a piece of paper could be rotated all the way around that line, and that line would be in the piece of paper no matter where you oriented that plane of that piece of paper. Kind of similar to how if you have one point does not determine a line, because you could draw a bunch of lines through that one point, right? So 2 points determine a line, 3 points, 3 non-collinear points determine a plane. And so this question says, are the points A, B, D, and C coplanar? Well, now we've got 4 points, and so we have to see, are they all on the same plane? Now it's kind of hard to tell exactly what this, where this plane is, because of the picture. It's a little bit confusing, but they're trying to show you like a dimension here by drawing it up like this. So that's really a pyramid that's going up right there. That's a pyramid. And so this plane P has A, B, it has these points on it right here. But it looks like G is on the line that's going up. So it looks like G is not on plane P. And same with H and same with D. It looks like they're not on the same plane. So my answer would be no. And let's see what the reasoning would be behind it. So let me first erase all these things, and let me just, before I read the answers, let me just outline the points. They're talking about A, B, C, and D. So A, B, and C are all on plane P, or so it appears, right? The way that they've drawn this picture. But D is not on plane. D is not on P. So I'm guessing it's this one right here. 3 lie on the same face of the pyramid. Okay, you could do it that way, and the 4th does not. So what they're saying is 3 lie on this face. A, C, and D all lie on one face, but point B does not lie on that face of the pyramid, and that's the reason that it is not. They are not coplanar. So you can't choose A, because A says 1 is on plane P, but that's not true. 3 are on plane P, not just 1. So D would be your correct answer.